So, all that insulation, Clint has been skip diving at building sites, and it's perfectly good insulation. It's just that it is thinner than your average pink bats. So, if we can fit about 4 layers into each of those squares, then it will be about equal to pink bats. If we can get 5 layers into each square, then it'll be better. We won't have enough there to do the whole of the sleep out, but you know, the less we need to actually purchase, the better. So we'll see how we go.
So that is 0.5, 0.6, and the standard pink bats at 90mm is 2.5. So if we get 4 of those in, it's close to. If we get 5 in, then it's
Slightly over.
more insulation factor. So we'll see. I reckon we will be able to get 5 in. Oh yeah, look at that, gorgeous. It's gonna work.
Only 10 million more to do.
Only 10 million more to do. Yes, sorry love. Oh.
That one is very satisfying. And what were the things that you got? Were they insulation pipes or something that you got these from?
They're ducting from
Ducting, that's the one.
ducted. It's insulated ducted to keep the heat in the ducts or the cold in the
Oh
ducts.
yeah. So yeah, we just went and stripped out some old duct pipes that are in. Did a bit of skip diving at building sites. Old duct pipes from air conditioning units that were no longer in use, and
this
yeah,
stuff lasts
it's insulation. Yeah, it's good stuff. So there we go. Clint's been scavenging again. We got another mountain.
And with all
So-
pistons for the rubbish.
Yep, we saved it all from the tip. So,
So I just see this and I think, ching ching. And
oh yeah, money saved. And it's all stuff that people are going to throw out.
That's not too bad. We're getting there.
We are.
Okay, right. One.
Oh, now we did put insulation up there first. We just sort of, this first one is an experiment really, isn't it?
Yes.
Just seeing how well it stays up there, how much it fluffs out. And we've got heaps and heaps of little scrappy bits that we're going to also put up there to pack it in with. We did not get the ceiling insulation for free. What's that stuff?
Some horrible glass fibre stuff that I don't want to touch.
Some horrible glass fibre stuff that Clint doesn't want to touch.
But
So it was the cheapest. So yeah, that's going in the ceiling.
yeah. And when we handle it, we're going to be wearing masks.
Yeah.
Yeah, right. That's it. A little bit
Yep.
more. A bit more.
That's the power.
That's it, done. That's good.
You want?
Oh, now it's 5 more gaps.
Hello.
Hello.
Hello, Claire. Just so you know, this isn't the first time they've actually spent the night here. The first time was when there wasn't even a roof. So, you know, they're camping out here again. Hello.
Hello.
Quick tip, don't get glue in your hair, okay? Just saying. And with that, that is pretty much the jibbing done. This is not the neatest jibbing in the world. There are some, you know, little corners and whatnot that we need to plug in. We've just done little holes where we've got the electric stuff, and of course cut out the holes for that and for the aircon unit. But aside from a little strip by the window there that we're about to do.
This is my first time ever hanging jib, so
yeah.
you guys, forgive me.
So yeah, it's not neat, but you get the help you pay for, and we pay nothing for the help, which is us. So the next step is I'm basically going to employ my dad, builder man, to come in and show me how to do the make it all nice and neat, put the tape in between, fill in some gaps that we that we created. You know, just little gaps like that yeah, we'll need to get some bog or something in to fix up. But there we go, it's looking a bit more room-like.